In this video, we're going to be talking about how to align and indent cell contents in Microsoft Excel. So I'm using the spreadsheet I had open in the last little video I created. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select cells A3 to O3. So I'm going to click in A3. And I'll pull over to O3, so these headings. Let me zoom in just a little bit. So you need to have cells selected before we can format anything in them. So to indent, we're going to go to the Home tab. Should already be on the Home tab. Go to the Alignment group. We're going to click the Center button. So we're going to center our text. That's how you center. So the column labels are now horizontally centered inside the cell. So let's go D4 to D8. We're going to do D4 to O8. So all of the numbers. This is our data set. So we're going to select this range of data. We're going to click the right align button, because if you can tell some of these numbers don't have the same alignment. Some of them are centered, some of them are to the right, some of them are to the left. So we're going to fix all that, and we're going to do right alignment. So we're going to bump them all to the right hand side of their cell or column. So on the Home tab in the Alignment group, we're also going to increase the indent. So there's decrease indent and there is increase indent. When we increase the indent, since it's right aligned, it's going to bump it to the left just a little bit. So let's undo that. We don't really want that to happen. We're going to use this skill on a different cell range. So we're going to select C4 to C8. C4 to C8, so the job title. And here we're going to increase our indent, and it's going to push it to the right just a little bit. It almost looks like it's centered, but it's technically just indented, pushed out from the left-hand side. And if we hit the decrease button, decrease indent is going to push it back to the left.